Hello everyone and welcome to the Dazzling Destinations channel. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 most equipped airliners in the world. With air travel becoming more popular every year, airlines are investing heavily in a state-of-the-art technology to offer their passenger a comfortable and safe flying experience. In this video, we will take a closer look at some of the most advanced airliners in operation today.
Won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, won't you let the light shine through?
Number 5. Boeing 787 Dreamliner. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner is a highly advanced airliner that features cutting-edge technology in both its design and systems. The aircraft is made from lightweight composite materials that makes it more fuel efficient and environmentally friendly than other aircraft in its class. Passengers on board the 787 Dreamliner enjoy a spacious cabin with larger windows that provide stunning views during flight. The cabin also features an advanced air filtration system that removes 99.9% of airborne particles, including viruses and bacteria. This creates a healthier and more comfortable environment for passengers. The 787 has been popular with airlines around the world due to its efficiency and range, allowing for non-stop flights and long-haul routes. However, the aircraft has also faced some technical issues, such as problems with its battery system that led to a temporary grounding of all 787s worldwide in 2013. Number 4. The Airbus A350XWB. The Airbus A350XWB is a long-range, twin-engine wide-body jet airliner designed and manufactured by Airbus. Its name stands for extra wide body, reflecting its wider cabin design compared to previous models. The aircraft was developed to compete with Boeing 787 Dreamliner and 777 models, and it features advanced technologies such as composite materials and advanced aerodynamics to improve fuel efficiency and reduce operating costs. The A350XWB family includes 3 variants: the A350-900, which can seat up to 440 passengers in a typical 2-class configuration and has a maximum range of 8,100 nautical miles. The shorter A350-800, which can seat up to 375 passengers and has a maximum range of 8,400 nautical miles. And the longer A350-1000, which can seat up to 480 passengers and has a maximum range of 8,700 nautical miles. The A350XWB has been well received by airlines and passengers alike for its comfortable cabin, modern amenities and improved fuel efficiency. As of 2021, over 450 A350s have been ordered by airlines worldwide. Number 3. The Boeing 777X. The Boeing 777X is an upcoming wide-body twin-engine jet airliner currently being developed by Boeing Commercial Airplanes. It is the latest variant of the popular 777 family of aircraft and is intended to replace the older 777-300ER model. This airliner features a number of technological advances over its predecessors, including new engines, composite wings, and advanced avionics. It also boasts a larger cabin, improved fuel efficiency, and longer range than the 777-300ER. This airliner will be available in 2 variants, the 777-8 and the larger 777-9. The 777-8 will have a range of around 8,730 nautical miles and seating for up to 384 passengers, while the 777-9 will have a range of around 7,285 nautical miles and seating for up to 426 passengers. In terms of safety, the 777X has an advanced flight control system and weather radar to help pilots avoid turbulence and hazardous weather conditions. Number 2. Airbus A380. The Airbus A380 is a double-deck wide-body airliner manufactured by the European aircraft company Airbus. It is currently the world's largest passenger airliner with a seating capacity of up to 853 passengers in an all-economy class configuration or 525 passengers in a typical 3-class configuration. The A380 was first introduced into service in 2007 and it has since been used by airlines around the world for long-haul flights. Its size and range make it well suited for busy routes between major cities such as London to New York or Sydney to Los Angeles. Passengers on board the A380 enjoy spacious cabins with wider seats and more legroom. The aircraft also features advanced entertainment systems, including individual touchscreens for each passenger. The cabin is also quieter than the other aircraft thanks to its advanced noise reduction technology. Despite its popularity with passengers and airlines, production of the A380 was discontinued in 2021 due to low demand for large aircraft during the COVID-19 pandemic. However, many A380s remain in service and are expected to continue flying for several more decades. Number 1. Boeing 747-8. The Boeing 747-8 is a wide-body jet airliner developed by Boeing Commercial Airplanes. It is the latest and largest variant of the Boeing 747 family with a landing fuselage, redesigned wings, and improved efficiency. The 747-8 is available in 2 models, the passenger version called the 747-8 Intercontinental and the freighter version called the 747-8 Freighter. The 747 has a range of 8,000 nautical miles and can carry up to 467 passengers in a typical 3-class configuration or up to 605 passengers in a high-density seating arrangement. The freighter version can carry up to 154 tons of cargo. Passengers on board the 747-8 enjoy spacious cabins with larger windows and quieter engines. The aircraft also features advanced entertainment systems and individual touchscreen displays for each passenger. In addition, the 747-8 has an advanced flight control system and weather radar to enhance safety during flight. So, there you have it guys, our top 5 most equipped airliners in the world. These aircraft are designed to provide passengers with the ultimate flying experience with advanced technology that enhances safety, comfort, and convenience. As air travel continues to evolve, we can expect even more advanced airliners in the future as Airline continues to invest in the latest technology to stay ahead of competition. What is your idea about the future of the airliners? Tell us in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Good luck!